Hello guys, in this tutorial I am going to show you how to create an image slider using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. This is a three-time tutorial. This is the first tutorial of to create a HTML image slider. You can see I have already created a slider using HTML. I'm going to show you how to code this. Okay. First of all, you need to create a new folder on desktop called slide images. After creating, just paste some of your gallery images to here. You can see I had pasted some of the gallery images to this directly. Now I'm going to open the brackets project here. I'm going to create a new file saving as index.html. You should give the extension as html so it does. I'm going to write the code. Just follow me. My slideshow. I'm going to the title as slideshow and link. Before this, I am going to create another new file called CSS and save it as CSS style.css. Okay, I'm going to link this on our use the body tag here. In the body tag, I'm going to initialize a divider with ID called container. After this, I'm going to write a CSS style sheet codes and for container tag ID. Width as I'm going to use 100% here and HEIGST height so 800 pixels with a border 1 px solid gray. I'm going to give the sky blue as border and margin as 0 auto and position relative position. You can see here there is a container box created from here and down. You can see the border with sky blue. This is the border container I had created. Now I am going to link images to this image. So I'm going to do this for all the images. I have created all the images linking to this, and I'm going to create a class as slide. I'm going to do this for all image sources. Okay, I have created a class for all the I have created class for all the image codes. You can see the images has been placed in the container, the web pages. Now I'm going to arrange this using CSS code. First container image. I'm going to give the width of the images 100%. You can see all the images has been placed with 100% width. Now height as 100%, and position I'm going to give the position as absolute, so all places perfectly. You can see the image places perfectly. Trainer. Before this, doing this, I am going to initialize a button iron divider. With a class but an ID but one. That innocence button one here. You this another button with a class but ID but two and as 93. Okay, I have created the buttons successfully. Now I'm going to give the positions for the buttons absolute. Here you can see the buttons has been created, and width 50px, so it will be seen highlightly, and height 50px, and height as 50px. Now I'm going to give the border for the button. Border radius. Give the 50 px, that the round button. Now I'm going to change the place of the button. Top 200 pixels. So okay, we are 200. Okay, 500 pixels. Then I'm going to try 300. Okay, 300 is more sufficient to us. And background color. Okay, I'm going to give it as powder blue. Color as okay. I want dark blue. Oh, and font size. So this displays the bracket and more larger icon. I'm going to initialize button 2. CSS for button 2. And position absolute float right. I'm going to give the position as relative, so it comes opposite to the other button. You can see the two buttons have been successfully implemented. Okay, I'm going to do another CSS code for. Now I'm going to give the button shadow. That's called box shadow. Box shadow 10 px and 0 px. 20 px and 0 px. Yeah, where px is called pixels. Black. I'm giving the color as black. Next second button. Okay, I didn't give the ID of button. Okay, button 1. The second ID, button 2. Over box shadow 10 px, 0 px, 20 px and 0 px black. You can see the black shadow between the buttons. Okay, we have finished our CSS, and that is style sheets coding correctly. Now I'm going to write a JavaScript. initialize variable index equals to 0 and function show image x equals to document dot get elements by class name. Get elements by class name. I'm elaborating this and zooming out. Class name. Okay, as slide. We gave the class name as slide in the container of the image. Show image 1. And we are going to initialize variable I in function. And the fourth thing is show image up to n. And create a if statement in our blocks. Zero show image 1 and initialize if n greater than x dot length index value becomes 1 as if n less than okay, less than 1, then the index value becomes x dot length. This is the logic we used in if statement. We are going to initialize for statement for slide viewing a slideshow. Initialize I equals to 0 and I greater than x dot length and I plus plus increments, then x I dot length style dot display equals to use the none x index minus 1 style style dot display equals to block. I'm declaring a function called After variable function, before this giving this function, I'm going to give on click code in plus index -1 on click plus index 1. Now I'm going to initialize the function here, function plus index index equals to index plus 1 increments show image at index, show the index image. When the button, the right button, that's okay, the right button clicks, the 1 plus index 1 is called to function main, and then if the index equals to n plus, that is 1 plus 1, index value becomes 1 here. Okay, index 1 plus 1, that is 2, show image second. This shows the image second. After the show image 1 function, show image n. Here we gave an function includes variable I and variable x with document class names like if n greater than the length of the, that is the image number, the index will become 1, or if n less than 1, index becomes x dot length. If these two does not exist, the for statement is executed and statement of the script is executed. Now I'm going to show the preview. We will see the preview here. Here you can see the slideshow images have been successfully implemented with a slideshow. It shows how many images does this page contains. It doesn't goes to any, and okay, this is how to create a yes, okay. I'm going to clear the show image from this place. Place it on the function above the function statement. It shows the first image of our project. Okay guys, this is how we are gonna to make a slideshow using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. This is a simple program, a basic program to create a slideshow
There are many methods, so you can try this is the best method I have. This is my first video, so if any mistakes, please notify me. And if you like this video, and please share this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates and infos. Thank you for seeing this video. This is a biggest tutorial I have ever recorded. Thank you guys.